Hello all. I am currently running. Just hold on, I need to get my stuff organized. Yeah, it's an acceptable mic volume, right? Have it a little higher, actually. I think that's fine. Oh, what is? Oh, okay. All right, okay. So, I forgot to save last time. So, I guess we're just gonna encounter Bird again. Not sure what I have to do here, though. Yeah, here he comes. Okay. I didn't go that far back, though, so... um... Hello, buddy, where are you? I hear his breathing. Come on, leave already.
Good heavens. It's worse than I thought. Like wildfire.
He's right there.
They should have brought me here sooner. I need to get to work before the disease consumes the
Go
rest
away.
of these poor souls.
Hey, man, I know you care about some disease, but you gotta screw off, man. Yeah, whatever, Bird. Okay. We're fine. You're not coming. He's coming back in. Okay. Please, don't. Just go away. That's all I ask. All I want is for you to go away. I'm putting on this ring. It protects me against you. Go away, Bird. Why do you have to be actually just right there? You could be anywhere else but there, but no. You choose to be here. You breathing next to me is very discomforting. Yeah, I'm just gonna... Despite the fact that you are right there, I'm just gonna sneak my way around here. You know what?
You are not
Come at me! Come at me! Alright, you
Stop
can...
resisting. I'm here to cure you.
Shut up. Ah! I hate you. Ah. Gee, can I at least close the door? Alright, let's at least flip the switch before he comes. Hi, alright. Now I have to sit through this again. Bird's got terrible programming in this game. He's got such bad AI. Really sucks. Go away. Why won't you just go away?
Good heavens. It's worse than I thought. Like wildfire. It spreads. They should have brought me here sooner. I need to get to work before the disease consumes the rest of these poor souls.
Um, ever. Just shut up. Please. Okay. Alright, so now I'm going to wait until you go all the way back. And here he comes back. Again. No, he's going in the other direction this time. Oh, Jesus, what was that? You're not gonna come flying back. Are you? Okay. Huh. Hello? Alright, he's gone. He's gone. Billy's over there, though. Hi, Billy. You're always welcome here. No, you're not. Ah. Hey. Alright, so now, the real stuff starts. Yay! Alright, I'm not sure if I grabbed everything here. I did, right? I know I need to grab this key here. Not sure what else I need, though. I'm pretty sure I've been here before. I'm just double checking. Yeah. I have the mask. This is just... What was this again? Hold on. Oh, that thing. Alright. A lot of clicking for keycards. Hey! You weren't supposed to do that! You know what? Screw you. I'm hiding in here. I'm hiding in here. You can't open this door. Is he... Are you actually gonna play this game? Oh my god. You're really gonna play this game now? This is... Wow. Brilliant developer of this game. Why? Let's just... My god. If I go in here, then do you go away? No, you're still there. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I'm putting on the mask. Wow, alright, this is very laggy, Alright, let's take this off now. You're still there. It doesn't matter, does it? Okay, what if I just open the door? Yeah. Alright, actually, I have an idea. Come in here. Not what I meant to do.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Yeah, I didn't get you stuck in the door. Go away, man. Come on. Can't keep you away forever. Why don't you go hang out with Billy or something? Both of you are pricks. I'm sure you make great friends. Now, if you don't mind, I have some business to attend to my fellow friend. Alright, okay. So you can just kindly chill out. If you would kindly... I didn't mean to close the door. Alright, okay, that's fine, we can play this game. Alright, that's fine. Don't wanna... You know what? Yeah. I guess I can have... just follow me around all day. Hey, I got him stuck. Now's my chance to get out. Get out, get out. Oh, I went the wrong way. Did I lose him? I think I lost him. Yay! Alright. Wow, alright. I guess it doesn't matter.
There you are.
There I am. Yes. That would be me. Huh. Not sure what to do here. Ow! You are really mean, aren't you? Oh, I have to start all the way back here? Oh, that's a giant flying flip you. You know what? I just want to get out of here at this point. I'm just gonna... You know what? I could care less. Get out of my face. Well, you wanna come catch me?
Stop resisting.
I'll stop. This is really frustrating. Gonna keep on doing it though. Until it works. Boop. And why did I shut that door? I don't think I should have done that. Hey, buddy. Okay. Alright, so I will...
Stop resisting. I'm here to kill you.
Okay. Alright, okay. Just gotta run. And pray he doesn't catch up to us. Billy. Oh, well, Billy's somewhere here. Billy, hi. I didn't even look away! Oh. I think I just pressed spacebar. I think I just pressed spacebar because I didn't know what to do. Okay. Alright. Buddy. How's it going? I'm going to go over here. If you don't mind. Alright. Billy. Okay. Oh, Billy's nowhere to be seen. What the? Billy? Alright, we're fine. Are we really fine? Is the question, because the answer is probably not. I just need to find my way back out of this place. Ah, thank God. Okay. Alright. I forgot to flip the switch. This is great. This is This is so indescribably great. You know, I don't think I can get over how great this really is. Oh! Oh my! Okay, this time we're gonna flip the switch. And we're gonna get out of here. Oh. Alright. Hey man, how's it going? We don't have to do this. Don't have to do anything at all. Okay. Whoa, I heard that. Alright. Alright, we're gonna get out of here. Alright, we're fine. Okay. Surely the bird can't catch us from all the way over here. Surely. Alright, okay. I think you're retarded. Just saying. I don't know what's going on. Actually, you know what? You know what? Something is wrong here. Yeah. Yeah, Hi, okay, alright. You scared the hell out of me. Oh, okay. Yeah, you know what? I don't want to play the game anymore, okay? Yeah. Alright, you're gone. And I'm over here now. And you can't. Yeah, shut up. Go away. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. I'm gonna turn all my cheats off. Then, bang. We're back. Alright, because that was just a situation I couldn't get out of. Now we can continue on with our day. Alright, I need a level 4 right now. Huh. Well, anyways, what was I gonna do here? This code I had earlier will help here. 3771. 3771. Enter. Are you serious? What are you talking about? That is totally the correct code. Maybe I read it wrong. Wait. 7551. Oh my god. 7551. Enter. Alright. There's a giant black sludge here. Wonder who it's from. Maybe Larry? In fact, I haven't seen him in a while. A long while, actually. So... Hey, it's a bell! Let's ring it. If you ring it, he will come. Wow. Innovative. Alright, so we're back here again. Hello? Hi, alright. We're fine. Everything's gonna be okay. Alright, so right now I'm gonna look for birds little containment area that he escaped from, because I know there is a level 4, which is good. Huh. Yeah, so I just need to explore for a while here. I'm big brain. I'm super big brain, if you didn't know. It's a duck. I remember the duck. Okay, I want to go back, actually. Why? Why? I am just getting all the hate from every guy today. I think Bird. Oh my god! I don't want to record anymore.